Collision repair technicians, also known as auto body technicians, have the job of restoring and reshaping damaged vehicles, including those involved in accidents on the roads. The technicians who perform this work are in demand to repair damage and get vehicles back up and running. In fact, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are more than 13,000 average annual job openings estimated for collision repair techs in the United States. You're probably wondering what the requirements are to secure an entry-level job in the auto body repair industry. Completing a training program is a good place to start. Universal Technical Institute's Collision Repair and Refinish Technology (CRRT) program is just 51 to 54 weeks from start to finish and can provide the foundational knowledge needed to begin your career. The CRRT program was developed with ICAR, the provider of collision repair training standards as defined by the industry, including car manufacturers, insurance companies, and employers. UTI's relationships with manufacturers like 3M, Autotex, Axalta, CCC Information Services, and Chief Automotive Technologies allow for training on brands used in the workforce. Another benefit of UTI's auto body repair program is the ability to earn ICAR credentials. These certificates allow graduates to earn recognition for their high levels of training and can be listed on a resume to help graduates stand out in the job market. The journey for each collision repair technician is a little different, but the following steps are commonly taken when starting in the industry. 1. Graduate with a high school diploma or GED. 2. Enroll in a vocational high school program if possible. 3. Complete a collision repair training program, like the auto body repair program offered at UTI, to get training and earn certificates that are preferred by employers. 4. Work as an entry-level auto body technician to gain experience. Eventually, collision repair technicians could move into different roles, including damage appraisers and production managers. If you've decided to attend trade school to train to become a collision repair technician but are concerned about the cost, there are ways to get help paying for your education. In fact, UTI is making more than $15 million in scholarships and grants available in 2021 alone to those who qualify. Some employers are even willing to help pay for the cost of your training as part of UTI's Tuition Reimbursement Incentive Program. Around here, we simply call it TRIP. The program allows employers to offer incentives to qualifying students who end up working for them after graduation. Some incentives our grads have been offered include student loan repayment assistance, hiring incentive packages, tool purchase assistance, and sign-on bonuses. UTI's Collision Repair and Refinish Technology program can help prepare you for an entry-level career as an auto body technician in less than a year. Click the link in our description to learn more about the program, which is offered in our campuses in Long Beach, California, and Houston, Texas.